Hello everyone, it's Sarah. Welcome back to Salons Marketing, where we discuss online marketing and motivational tips to help your business grow. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing how to make an extra $100 a day promoting beauty products that are not your own. You don't have to ship out, you don't have to drop ship it, you don't have to have a website, you don't even have to have a brand, okay? This is for people who want to get into the online space just as a newbie, as a beginner, and make sales without having your own product, okay? So if you are a business owner, you don't want to skip this video either if you're a beauty business owner, because you can implement this strategy in your business as well so that you can obtain sales and other people can promote your products and they make commission and then you get sales in return, okay? So this is for business owners and new online marketers, okay? The method that I'm going to be discussing is called affiliate marketing, okay? So I know a lot of you guys have heard about affiliate marketing because it's extremely popular. There are so many YouTube channels and courses and all that stuff that's available online talking about affiliate marketing. And this is not a new thing, you guys, okay? It's not just something that started online. And it's a sort of sales strategy for business owners. So if someone who uses your product or have purchased your product, you give them either a discount code or a specific link, and they can share that link to their audience or their friends and family. And if anyone from that link purchases the product, using that link, you get a commission, okay? So that is how affiliate marketing works. And a lot of people use it to supplement their entire income. They don't really have to work anymore. They just utilize affiliate marketing to promote other people's products and make money. I know a lot of people, especially online, they talk about ClickBank. ClickBank is the biggest one, and JVZoo, that's another big one, but I'm not going to be talking about those products, okay? I'm going to be specifically only talking about beauty products, because beauty products, I'm a girl, I use beauty products all the time, and why not make money by promoting a beauty product that I'm either already using or that I already believe in, you know what I mean? I'm gonna be telling you guys 4 beauty product platforms, and you can make money from commissions by promoting these products. Also, at the very end, I will be telling you guys some traffic sources where you can promote these links. And if you are a beauty business as well, or if you're a beauty business owner, I will be giving you the software that I use to help me with affiliate marketing in my business. It's free as well, so you don't have to pay for it. All right, so let's get into it now. So the first website that I've used to promote beauty products is called Rakuten. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. I used to say Rakuten, but I think it's a Rakuten. But yes, I am signed up to Rakuten, and they have so many beauty businesses on there. Oh my God, I'll just list all of them here. Some have very high percentages, so you can make 15 to 20% commissions. One of the products would be the Smile Direct Club. They are on Rakuten, and you can promote their products and make $20 to $100 commission. Definitely recommend Rakuten. Number 2 is Share a Sale. I've used Share a Sale in the past to promote certain beauty products. One beauty product was Shein. Well, that's more of a fashion / clothing brand, but I have used Shein and other clothing companies to make money by promoting their products. Their commissions are a little bit smaller, around 5% to 10% commission, but I would still highly recommend it. I've also used that platform to promote a water bottle. It's from a company called Grosh. So I highly recommend Share a Sale if you want to make money promoting certain beauty products or clothing brands. The third source to obtain affiliate links is Amazon. Okay, yes. It's free to sign up. There is not an approval process. However, you do have about 90 days to make a sale or make multiple sales. I think it's just 1 sale or 3 sales. I'll leave the specifics here. But yeah, you do have to make a certain amount within the 90 days, but you have 90 days to like, you know, promote any product you want. And what's great about Amazon is that although they have like set commission prices, it's between 3 to like 10%. They have very high ticket products on Amazon. So a lot of people like to promote like flat irons or human hair extensions or different spa products or equipments. So I love using Amazon to promote beauty products. I get a consistent check every month from Amazon. You can copy any link from, like if you visit any page, and a bar will pop up, so you can just copy the text link and paste it in your blog, on your bio for Instagram, on your TikTok bio, your YouTube description box. It's just endless, and I love Amazon. I love it, honestly, I do. The fourth method, this is the one that I am the most passionate about because it is my website. However, you can obtain much higher commissions than the other ones that I've mentioned before. So I sell hair extensions and beauty products on my website for all women. Like all types of women can use my products, and I'm super proud of that. So I'm actually offering much higher commissions than all of the other sources that I've mentioned previously. I'm offering 15% on every single sale. And if you were to sell a human hair extension, you can receive from $20 to $50 on each sale. Yeah, much higher commissions. And it's much easier to sell human hair wigs online. You'd be surprised. It's a $1 billion industry, the hair business. It's definitely an amazing way to receive a decent source of income. Before I started my hair business, I would promote other wigs and receive the payments via PayPal. The only problem with those like platforms is that their commissions are very low, like 5 to 7%, but I'm giving double. If you click the link down below, you'll see all of the information on exactly what the percentages are for each product. I actually have a screenshot of one of my affiliates who literally just signed up yesterday and only sent her link to 2 people and already received a sale. So very easy to sell hair extensions, especially during Halloween. The 4 traffic sources that I'm gonna recommend to you for you to like promote these links. The first one would be TikTok. If you want like an in-depth tutorial on exactly how to go about with doing these traffic sources or using these traffic sources in general, I just did a live yesterday and I just posted it, so you can click the link in the bio. I'll have the link for that live, but it's where I discuss all of the free and paid traffic sources that I use to promote my brand, but you can also use it to promote affiliate links. I'll do an in-depth tutorial on exactly how affiliate marketing works and how you can go about promoting your links, but for now I'll just tell you TikTok is one of the best ones. I love TikTok. It's so easy to get views on TikTok, and also it's very quick. It's much faster to get traffic on your TikTok page and hence your links. So yes, another one is Instagram Reels. I love Instagram Reels just because of how quickly you can get views, just like TikTok. I posted an Instagram Reel once, like the other day, and within 10 minutes I got 10,000 views, and I was like, why am I even doing YouTube? Another source is YouTube. I am actually obsessed with YouTube, and you don't even have to show your face with YouTube. You can literally just post like compilation videos or videos that you find around the web pertaining to that particular product that you're promoting, and you can do like a short voiceover of your review of this product and tell them to click your link in the bio to get a certain amount off, and help to support your channel or whichever. Like, I love YouTube. It's like one of my favorite methods. In the video that I posted, I show you guys different examples. This can work for any niche, not just hair businesses, okay? Okay. And the last source that I will be talking about, and this one is like my favorite traffic source for affiliate links, it is Pinterest. Pinterest is like, it's like, I can't explain how much I love Pinterest. And between YouTube and Pinterest, I still love YouTube, but Pinterest is literally like next in line for my favorite social media platform, because with each photo that you post on Pinterest, you can link any link that you want to any website. It could be Amazon, it could be your Rakuten link, it could be your share sale link, it could be your Soul Beauty Wigs link. It could literally be any link that you want. And Pinterest doesn't care. I love that. And you can get so many views in pins. This is one of my videos that links to one of my products on my website that has like 13,000 views. It's insane. But you can literally link it to your affiliate product and get commissions that way. Pinterest is like a big one for affiliate marketing. Highly recommend it. And if you're not a beginner and if you already have your blog set up, your YouTube channel set up, why not just make extra income by promoting these beauty products? Like, you already have a personal brand, why not just continue to make more income, another source of income, by promoting these beauty products? A lot of people aren't talking about this on YouTube, which I think is very interesting. I had to look up and down when I first started to find affiliate links and make proper income. And yeah, now I'm gonna pass my knowledge off to you. And literally, if you sell like 2 human wigs at like $50, which is the lower commission end, you're making $100 a day, and payouts are done once you reach a certain threshold, which is $100. But I can send you the amount whenever you want. That's the beauty of, you know, knowing the person behind the brand. You can request to get a faster payout. Let's work together, okay? Let's work together. If you have a beauty brand and you want to promote, or you want affiliates to promote your products too, you can use the platform Go Affiliate. I'll leave the link down below. That's the software that I use to get affiliates onto my website. It's free to sign up. You can have unlimited affiliates, and I'm obsessed with it. I love it. And it's all so easy. They do everything for you, from the email to the landing page. Like, everything is done for you. So I'm not getting paid to promote Go Affiliate. So yes, that's pretty much the end of this video. That is exactly how you make $100 a day promoting beauty products that you don't own. You don't need any money. You don't need to, you know, ship out the products on your own. You can simply just promote these products and make commissions. And I love this method. I do this method even though I have my own brand. And so yeah, I highly recommend you guys give it a try if you are a newbie to the online marketing space. And I would recommend all beauty business owners have an affiliate marketing program also, okay? And if you have an affiliate marketing program, link it down below in the comment section so that other people can check out your products and become an affiliate. All right, so yes, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I feel like there are a lot of like male-dominated products in the online space. We gotta have some female products up in there. All right, let's get her done. Okay, so I'll catch you guys in my next online marketing video. Bye.